Today we ventured down to Brookhaven, Georgia to check out a jaw-dropping ultra-modern home. Say hello to 1192 Bernadette Lane from 6 Points Homes. This stunning home has a clean, crisp design that you'd expect from a modern home, yet somehow still feels like a home rather than a doctor's office. Inside, you'll find an incredible 2-story layout that features 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, neatly tucked inside of 4,110 square feet of living space. Outside, the home's modern exterior is unlike anything we've ever seen before. On the front, the white brick facade offers a clean and polished aesthetic with natural wood paneling that adds a resounding pop of dramatic curb appeal. There's also no lack of large windows on this side of the home, and they flood tons of natural light into every square inch of the interior. To the right side of the home is a large 2-car garage with a large glass-paned garage door that blends nicely with the black frame windows. And my favorite feature sits just above it in the form of a private master suite balcony. The white brick exterior continues around to the rear of the home, where you'll find even more large picture frame windows and a nice covered back patio. The patio offers a great outdoor living experience with a cozy gas fireplace and plenty of space for sitting around and hanging out with your friends. When it comes to the price, this particular home is listed for a cool $1.69 million, and while I know this home is out of reach for the vast majority of us, we tour these homes for inspiration. However, if you would like more information on this model or any of the models that we've toured across the country, you can use the Find My Floor Plan Finder on our website at timothyplivingston.com to filter homes based on your specific needs. It's all 100% free, so definitely go check that out. You can find the link for that down in the description. But with that, let's get in this home because it is amazing. All right, I love these super modern homes. Just from an aesthetic standpoint, I think they look super cool. And this one right here with like the wood accents looks amazing. But when you do first walk in, you've got this nice foyer right here. You've got a set of stairs that goes up to all of the bedrooms on the 2nd floor. And then on the right-hand side, that kind of leads into the great room, the kitchen area. Really cool looking floor plan though. I think you guys are really gonna like this one. But this is the front entryway. It's got this super fun light fixture, really funky looking. And there's a lot of those throughout the whole home, which I like. But as we continue through the foyer, to the right-hand side is currently a linen closet. I would probably turn this one into a coat closet just because this back room right here is set up as an office. I mean, you could probably set it up as like a guest room if you wanted to, which would make, you know, having a linen closet right there a good idea. But right now, with it being set up as an office, yeah, I would just leave it as a coat closet. But you've got access out onto the back covered patio from in here. And then this door right in front of us, that goes into the full bathroom, which we'll access from the foyer in just a minute. But then it also has a closet in here as well. And then around the corner, you have a single vanity in here, nice floating vanity. You gotta have the floating vanities in the modern home. The toilet, and then it's got a nice walk-in shower with the tile surround going all the way up to the ceiling. And then a nice shower tray down on the bottom as well. Then from there, we come into this beautiful great room. You've got the tray ceiling up there with the accent lights. That looks really good. Super modern looking fan. I was talking to someone the other day. They were like, fans are out unless they're like sleek and modern looking. So like the old fans that we see, you know, with the big fan blades and stuff, they are, seems like anyway, a thing of the past. But you know, I'm one that definitely needs, I need a fan because I need some airflow, you know what I mean? Beyond just the, like the air conditioner. But you got a gas fireplace right here, and then right next to that are some nice floating accent shelves. We've got a great big sliding glass door out onto this back covered patio, which also has a gas fireplace as well. We'll go ahead and walk out here real quick, because it's got some super cool ceilings. And then another really fun fan with all the fan blades. Gas fireplace, little spot to mount a TV up above that. And then just all of the windows. So you got dining room over here to our left, great room. And then of course, this office that we just stepped inside. A lot of windows, I like it. Now this kitchen's probably gonna go 50-50, you know, mostly because there's not a lot of cabinets in here. You got a lot of well, not even a lot, just one open shelf. I think it looks cool, you know what I mean? It's got a lot of lowers, so that might make up for it, but let me know how you're feeling about the lack of uppers over here down in the comments. Got this great big island. It looked like that there were some cabinets right here on the front, but I went and tested them and they certainly were not. So, but some cool light fixtures. Again, a lot of these fun accent lights going all the way around the home. Nice big drawers right here. And then a few more on this side. You've got your undermount sink looking out into the great room. And then next to that is the dishwasher. And then over here on this side, I didn't even see this, you also have a built-in microwave. Then on the opposite side, of course, you probably saw, there is a pantry right here. So that is nice, very handy. But then you've got the refrigerator, and there is some space up above these cabinets, so you can do a little bit of decorating if you wanted to. I love the color though. I think the black looks really good with the wood. Like that rich wood color. You've got the gas stove right here, and of course the range hood. Thing is huge. Then I always thought, I've been seeing a lot of these lately. I feel like this is where you cook your bacon or your eggs or something, and you've got like this little grease drip pan. I think that's what that's for. But then all the counter space kind of wraps around all the way down. Let's see what we got over here. Some nice big cabinets, plenty of drawers, just kind of alternates. And then all the way at the end down here, I would imagine that this would be a nice spot for a wine fridge or something along those lines. Other than that, I think it's a super cool looking kitchen. I would probably want a few more shelves, even if they are the open ones, you know what I mean? But just off of that, you've got the dining room. And I love this gigantic picture window. Massive. They got another modern home going up behind us. That one is nice. I like this one a little bit better because of the brown accents, but another fun light fixture. And then just off of the dining room, you've got the mud room, kind of like a drop zone area. Cool little built-ins, some cubbies down on the bottom, and then plenty of hooks. And then through this door, you come out into the 2-car garage. Just big enough for 2 cars, but then it's got this super cool, like, glass garage door, which is pretty neat. And it's tinted from the outside, so you can see in, but you can just make out shapes, you know what I mean? All right, so from here we're gonna work our way upstairs and check out all of those amazing bedrooms. Every bedroom has its own ensuite, but first there's a cool little hidey hole thing right here behind the stairs. Fun little spot for some storage. But if you do want any more information on this home or any of the homes that we tour across the country, you can go over to timothyplivingston.com where you can search not only this floor plan, but all the floor plans. You can see if they're built in your area. You can filter them down based off of number of bedrooms, square footage, layout, whether you want first floor master, second floor master, site-built homes, modular homes, so much stuff. So definitely go check that out, all free, and all the full tours are over there as well. So at the top of the stairs, it kind of winds around, but the ceilings kind of bump up a little bit. The first door that we come to is the laundry room. So you've got a nice deep washer basin right here. And then the washer and dryer hookups. This all sits up towards the front of the home. Some nice storage cabinets. And then back behind us, this closet is the furnace. There's actually two of them. So this one, and then this one is just like this would probably be like a good cleaning closet or something, you know what I mean? I don't know why I took you so high up. It's all white in there, so. Anyway, the next closet just outside of that is the second furnace. And then we can get into the bedrooms. So, kind of does a little L shape. You've got a corridor that opens up into like a fun little sitting room. But this is the first of the bedrooms up here. I'll get you over here in this corner. It's got a nice closet. And then again, I love the fact that every one of the bedrooms has its own ensuite. Like, not Jack and Jill's, not out in the hallway, literally inside of the bedroom, so that's cool. Again, single vanity, floating toilet, and then the shower and tub combo. And then windows, that's another thing that I love about this home. It's just all of the windows. So just past that bedroom, you come into, again, like this little sitting room, like a little family room maybe. Get another fun ceiling fan. Then into the second bedroom. All of them have these little kind of bump outs. Maybe like a good place to put like a dresser or something, but every one of the rooms has it. Closet. I think all of the secondary bedrooms are step-in closets. Then into its ensuite, another floating vanity, and then the toilet and shower. Then into the third. Oh yeah, that's probably why the listing says 5 bedrooms, because I was just thinking about that. With the linen closet, you know what I mean? You've got the office, so it's probably more like 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, but I guess it really is just a personal preference. Get another bump out over here, and then into, oh man, this one's not floating. Another single vanity right here, but it's got a little drawer, so that's nice too. And then this one's got a shower and tub combo. I'm flipping the script on this one. And then right before we get to the master bedroom, you've got another linen closet. And I like this room, and I like the ensuite too. So you kind of got like a bulkhead right here, just above the bed itself. Get over here so you can see it. And then it kind of raises up. You've got a tray ceiling with those accent lights. Another fun ceiling fan. And then this one has access out onto, let's see if this is, kind of like another little patio. It's open. But you've got just a fun little spot to kind of put some chairs out here, come out in the mornings, read the newspaper or your phone. I don't know if people really read newspapers anymore. I'm sure they do, but I feel like you get all the news from your phone anymore. Anyway, it's kind of a fun little layout for the bedroom. And then you come into, of course, oh, we missed the closet. I got too carried away talking about newspapers, but so this room actually has 2 closets. This is the first of the 2. It's got some nice built-ins, and this is the one in the bedroom itself. The other one is actually in the ensuite. But when you do enter the ensuite, huge double vanity right here, floating. It's got the lights behind the mirror, which looks really cool. Very seamless, you know what I mean? And then right next to that, you've got the water closet. I know I'm hiding the shower. It's strategic. But into the second closet, again, some more built-ins, some drawers, all that fun stuff. And then check this thing out. One of these, what do they call them? Infinity showers, infinity tubs, something like that. You can just sit here and let all the water overflow. Tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Huge rainfall shower head up there. You got a normal shower head, like a removable wand shower head. Huge shower. I like that a lot. All right, let me know what you think about this home down in the comments. If you want any more information on this model, I'll leave that information for you right there at the top of the description, or you can go over to timothyplivingston.com where you can search not only this floor plan, but all of the floor plans that we've toured across the country. You can take the full tour, you can get information like pricing, you can filter down based off of square footage, number of bedrooms, all that fun stuff, layouts. So go check that out. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for touring this home with me. My name's Timothy, and I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.